Hi everyone, welcome to my June GlossyBox unboxing video. So this is what the box looks like usual, the original design. A pale pink, pastel pink box, whatever you want to call it, a pale pink, pastel pink, whatever. And yeah, it looks like that, the original packaging like usual. I have seen what's inside because I've just been to my mum's because I haven't seen it in so long, and now we're allowed to, so I picked up my boxes. And yeah, so that's what the inside looks like, but per usual. And in there you get the leaflet and some different tissue paper this time. It's around the world, I think the theme is, and it's got maps and other stuff on there, so like beaches and palm trees and all sorts. So if we undo the bow and undo the sticker, and here we go. Get the leaflet out. Yeah, so as I was saying, okay. So the theme of the box is World of Beauty. That's what it looks like. If you haven't seen the June box and you don't want to see any spoilers, look away now. That's what's in the box. I've already seen what's in the box because I opened it with my mum. And yeah, closer look. If you didn't want a spoiler, you can look back now. And yeah, like always, on the back you get a sneak peek of next month, how to become Glossy of the Month, how to earn Glossy credit, and stuff about the Glossy Lounge. And yeah, so this is all about around the world beauty, so beauty products from Japan, Canada, England, Scotland, I don't know, any countries you can think of, probably a product from there in here. And yeah, so I don't know what to say really, let's just start. First thing, so the first thing is the Vintage Cosmetics Company makeup removing cloths, and this one is from doesn't really say, but yeah, so make sure you can see me. Inspired by the elegant style of the 1950s British brand, the Vintage Cosmetics Company brings you an eco-friendly, reusable makeup removing cloth that cleanses and exfoliates your skin too. Wet your cloth and glide the side up with the short fibres of your skin to cleanse and remove makeup, or use the other side to exfoliate your complexion. No cleansing lotions required. So you literally get the cloth, wet it onto the tap, and then there you go. And this is the full size one for $7.99. And you can get either the zebra one or the leopard print one, I think. And of course I get the one I don't want, but I'm still appreciative of whatever I get. And yeah, there's a discount card which I won't show you because it might only be for me. And all these are really soft. I best not use it now. But yeah, you get 2 sheets. Obviously I've got the leopard ones, and you wash your face with this one, or you clean your face with that side, and then this side is for exfoliating. See, you get 2. Normally, if I wear makeup, I'm using either makeup wipes or no, I use makeup wipes and then I'll wash my face as normal. And I've still got mascara on in my eye. However you want to, it's not all off, so hopefully with these, it gets it all off, step by step. Good song. Use warm water to wet the makeup removing cloth. 2, to cleanse, use the side with the short fibres and gently rub into the skin in a circular motion. It effectively removes your makeup without the need of chemicals or cleansers. 3. For gentle exfoliation, flip the makeup removing cloth and repeat the process. Wash at 30 degrees Celsius before first use, and in between uses leave to dry naturally. We weren't going to use them anyway. Well, I would, but I don't plan on using makeup anytime soon. So yeah, there's that. You get 2 in there. And this is really great. Oh, actually, if I get this out, I squashed it in there. Sometimes you get leaflets in there, so I don't know. I won't show you them, but trust me, it's there. The first one is a Vision Direct one, where if you're missing some contact lenses, I don't wear glasses, clearly. But yeah, there's that. There's also a money off wine thing, as you can see there. So this will expire in 30 days. So I don't know how long I've got left. Probably won't use it anyway. But if it was to be used, I'll either give it to one of Cameron's sisters because they like wine, because I'm not much of a wine drinker. I'm more of a Jack Daniels drinker. I might not look it, but you know, I am. I rarely drink, maybe only special occasions. And I also got 2 tokens for the free Grace box for me and a friend, which, there you go. I don't like to show special leaflets off because, you know, got discount codes on, and I don't want anyone else using them because they are for me. I know it sounds selfish, I don't mean to, but yeah. The next thing is, see, I was going to get some of Millie Bobby Brown's ones, but I wasn't quite sure. But I have some Guardian Angel Revitalising Eye Gels. I might try some tonight. Of course, I'll have a full video out soon of it. Okay, Guardian Angel Eye Mask. £5 for these at full size. Conceptualised in the streets of London, Botanic Beauty is a plant-based, cruelty-free and natural skincare brand, and you're going to love their invigorating eye patches infused with green tea, hyaluronic acid and cucumber and rose extract. I will love these then. They will help to soothe and brighten tight-looking eyes. Simply apply the patches under your eyes for 15 minutes after cleansing and toning, then peel them off. So yeah, £5 for I don't know how many. Target's crow's feet. For you, mate. No, it's apparently I don't. Oh no, I have tiny ones there. Apparently it's for the wrinkles there. So from London, this is. Don't know how to put it. Okay. The next thing is fancy. See, I don't have high-end makeup, so when I get stuff like Huda Beauty, I don't know how to pronounce it, but when I get stuff like Huda Beauty, that's really fancy makeup. So this is a lifeliner, very Vanta, brought to you by Iraqi American beauty guru Huda Khatun. Sorry if I'm pronouncing anything wrong. This dual-ended eyeliner boasts a liquid liner on one end and a creamy pencil on the other end to help you achieve the ultimate eye look. Better yet, both are waterproof, smudge-proof and really long-lasting. Glide the liquid side onto your lid to create a ring, then apply the pencil along your lash and waterline for extra drama. £18 at full price. It is good. So yeah, I've never really had anything Huda Beauty. I think I'm pronouncing that right, I'm not too sure. So stuff like this I cherish. Like, it's something I'll never get again. I probably won't get this again. So this side is the liquid liner. So if I just swatch some on my hand, both sides. So yeah, so the liquid liner is a twist cap. The pencil liner is, I should have shown you the other one as well, but I'll show you after. See, that's what it looks like. So, there's a wasp. It's okay if I stay still. I won't get stung. I think it's gone. Thank goodness, but yeah, that's what the eyeliner looked like. And that's what the eyeliner looks like. And that's what the eyeliners look like. Those two black lines there. It wants to focus. There we go. And yeah, so that's very nice. Thank you, Huda, for your product. Huda. Who the heck is it? So next thing is some eyeshadow brush set. One is for setting, applying and blending. The other one is for wing liner, brow liner and line definer. I forgot to get my brow pomade. Anyway, so this is from LA Splash Cosmetics. Let me guess, America, Hollywood. Knew it would be LA Splash, of course. So, founded in the same city as Hollywood, you can be sure that LA Splash is all about glitz and glamour. That's why their two eyeshadow brushes are perfect for creating red carpet looks. Or unless you're like me and you've lost your makeup skills, complete trash. Use the fluffy one to apply, blend and build your eyeshadow, then use the densely packed angled one to sweep on eyeliner or smudge out your waterline. So these are £15, and honestly I was just going to use the angled one for my eyebrow stuff. If it wants to come out, then come out. There we go. So that's the first one. Wants to focus. Doesn't want to focus. Come on. Well, that's his LA Splash there, and that's his Define there. But yeah, that's the angled one. The same on this one, but setting there. And that one. Does it pass the bristle test? Yes, it does. So you know they're good quality brushes. So yeah, these are £15. That's great as well. And the last thing is a liquid metal eyeshadow by Model Co. So I tried their eyebrow gel, the clear one, which I've got on now, which this is like the last bit of it on my brows today. So I've got an itch. And this is from, well, it says Land Down Under, so I'm guessing Australia. Coming to you from a this is a tongue twister for me. Coming to you from the Land Down Under, this creamy liquid eyeshadow boasts a highly pigmented formula that will coat your eyelids in an iridescent sparkly glow. Use the cushioned top to apply it along your lash line and create a precise winged eye, or sweep it across your whole lid and blend it out for an all-over glittery effect. Per is £15. So it says from a land down under, so that normally means Australia. I bet I'm wrong. I bet it's like somewhere else. Oh, opposite of the map. I can't even speak today. But yeah, last Model Co product I tried is the clear brow gel in January, and within 5 months I've used it. Ooh, pretty. So that's the colour. It's a champagne colour. There we go. And it's in the shade Champagne. So it's got a little spoolie thing there. Oh, you can still focus, which is great. So I put some on, and that's what it looks like there. Oh, I need to hover up my phone on 15%. When filming, the battery goes quickly. So yeah, so that's all for this video. Yeah, got everything done. Yeah. So yeah, that's all for today's video. If you want me to film these any differently, then please let me know in the comment section down below. If you have any comments, complaints, wherever you want to comment something, comment it down below. If it's too harsh, then I'll probably just leave it there, because, you know, it's just a comment at the end of the day. And, you know, if you don't like my videos, don't watch them. And yeah, if you like this video, thumbs it up, share it with all your friends, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. I'm almost at 340, so I don't know what happened to my channel, but zoomed straight up. So I think you guys are liking these unboxing videos, so I will carry on with it. Hold on. It is Australia. Sydney Opera House. Imagine if that were the Sydney Opera House, I'd be fooled. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.